ಹೇಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Hi guys, welcome to Trends Vloggers. Today I'm showing you the complete video of Hydra facial because most of them were asking the complete video. So step by step I'm showing you the Hydra facial. So here I'll let you know first what is Hydra facial. So Hydra facial is nothing but deeply cleaning and hydrating your skin, so it give you more hydrated, bright, plump and clear complexion. So it's really good for your skin, and it improves the sign of aging, and also the wrinkles, and it will increase the firmness, even tone, texture and brown spots. If you have any tanning, that also it reduces. And if you have enlarged pores, that is also it will minimize. So depending on client to client skin, we work on this Hydra facial. So you can see my client has actually a very good skin, and no, she has little tanning problem and little dryness. So I'm just giving her the complete relaxation massage with Hydra facial. So I'm just deeply cleaning her skin. So let's talk today about complete Hydra facial. So many of clients have many doubts. Okay, so this treatment is known to have many benefits, and it treat wide range of skin issues like acne, hyperpigmentation, tanning, open pores, and also dryness of your skin, and many other treatments, wrinkles, anti-aging. So I could say Hydra facial is really really good. So all my clients have many doubts, like how long this Hydra facial stay once we do it. So I could say it's 4 to 6 weeks it will stay. That too you have to take care, probably it's not that you will take today Hydra facial and tomorrow you are going out with the hot sun without any protection. See, skin routine is very very important, though if you take facial or not, but SPF is necessary for your skin when you are getting out of your house, or you are sitting inside your house, front of your computers. Blue light also affects tanning. So it is always good that you always wear your SPF. Okay. And also many of my clients says, if we do Hydra facial, and oh, my skin will get brighten. Yes, of course, because we use the specialized serum in Hydra facial, targeted your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or if you have uneven skin tone, we use the special serum according to your problems. So definitely it give you good, very brighten look after doing Hydra facial. And it fades if you have dark spots, and it fades your pigmentation, and it will give you that luminous complexation. I So guys, if you have any more doubts, you can comment below. You can ask me the questions, and let's watch complete video. And if you like my video, subscribe my channel, share to your friends. My parlor is located in Kitagnor. It's near Garden City College, and my contact number as mentioned. ತುಂಬ ಹಠ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋ ಮಸಾಜ್ಗೆ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.
ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪೇಷನ್ಸಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಚಕ ಚಕ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಹಾಂ
ಇದು ಏನು ಸೋಪೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ, ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಡ, ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು